Good Sunday to you, normal, horizontal YouTube. Lovely nature sounds here today. Okay, it's my observation that there's so much vertical FaceTime videos around personal and professional development on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook and Instagram Reels, so much of it. And what they're saying is brilliant, but the saturation part is there's just so much vertical, right up close to your face, life coaching, business coaching content. So I actually like what they're saying most of the time, but it's just the saturation of the vertical FaceTime, a little bit like the saturation of filtered selfies. So I think I would like to use some of these TikTok words of wisdom, YouTube Shorts words of wisdom, Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels words of wisdom in videos of me connecting with nature and doing the green exercise with a little bit of nature sounds in the background, because I think the actual words of wisdom are brilliant. It's just the saturation of the vertical video, life, business, personal, professional development, coaching. I think there's just too many people doing it, and it's just has to be a better way to communicate these words of wisdom. And I think mixing it in with a little bit of nature connection and green exercise for well-being with the social media words of wisdom, I think that could be pretty cool. So I'm going to do it. Listen to the bird sounds, look at the nature behind me, and have a great day. Take care.